Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Quick and I'll be going over some Bee Swarm simulator quests. I'm getting ready to turn in one of the Panda Bear quests for a friend. And it was, I think, Annihilation 4. So there was the rewards, 25 million honey, 8 real jelly, 14 tickets and 1 ant pass. And then we got one more thing to turn in. Got Spirit Bear to go over. Just going up here. And hopefully, I believe we're at the 20th quest to get a Spirit Petal. Whoop whoop! Nice. So we get the next quest. And that will take some good long time to do, because those quests are difficult. But I believe we now have the stuff to buy the Petal Belt. So let's craft that. And heck yeah. Finally got the can I zoom in? There we go. Hey! Now we got the Petal Wand and the Petal Belt. Fancy.